So try number 27 on this particular approach. So if you've got an Android phone and you have tried to do all of the things, different APC codes, different MMS numbers for phone numbers, all kinds of different things, the last resort is, notice it's in the off position, put the volume control all the way up, push the start button, hold those, and now when it starts up, it will come up. See how it shows the little Android there? And see it or not, but anyway, one of the options on here is to reboot regular. You can, and one of the things you can do is you use the, by the by, you use the little volume control to move it around like an arrow and choose the options. One of the options you can do is completely do a reset on it. And anyway, I'm not going to do that because I just did it earlier tonight to get my messaging working. What happened with this device, and some people get it where they can receive messages but they can't send them, and some people have them where they can send messages and can't receive them. That's what's going on with me. And what I had to do is do a complete system factory reset to get it to work. But anyway, I did that. It restarted up, it reinitiated the SIM card, and lo and behold, it works with messaging now. So again, this is kind of like the right-click mouse video I did. Sometimes you have to do draconian things to fix situations that otherwise are not going to be reparable. And in this particular case, that's what you have to do. So again, you're just going to go to the side, you're going to hold down the start button and hold the volume up all the way on the top until it starts, let go, and then it's going to come up and it's going to give you the option to go ahead and do a complete system reset to factory settings. And if nothing else will work, that will. That's about it for this video. So I hope it's helpful. If there's other things you'd like to see me do videos on, etc., please put them down in the comments. Have a great day. Bye-bye.